Hello friends, welcome back to our class. Some technical problem is there. That's why recording stopped. So we have two links in this class. Okay, first link 20 minutes and now 10 minutes link. Okay, let me share screen. So already I told you in this previous link entrepreneurship. Okay, so this is the entrepreneurship process. So if you want to start a new business or start a new small business, that is called as here enterprise. So for establishment of a new business, this is the simple steps 1 2 3 4 5. These are the 5 steps we have. So first step is develop a business plan. So here we need to understand and we need to uh, having focus upon what type of business we need to start and what type of product and what type of which product having more demand and which product having more and more sales and having lot of profit oriented results. So identify these all things to start a new business. So when we are starting a new business, what type of product we need to start, what type of business we need to establish, what cost we need to have, and how much amount we need to have to start this business. These all things are we need to consider here to develop a business plan. This is the first stage of entrepreneurial process. Next, resourcing. Resourcing means finance. బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి రిసోర్సింగ్ అంటే మాత్రం ఫైనాన్స్. Resourcing means here finance. Already we know the finance, right? Money, men, material, machineries, and methods. These are the resourcing. So plan for resourcing here. So what are the resources and how much level of resources we need to have for our business, for our enterprise? That is the planning here for these resources in the second stage of completion of and after selecting a suitable business and after selecting a product and then plan for resources. After completion of resourcing a plan and then we need to have managing the company. Managing the company. So how to maintain the companies, how to having the employees and how to plan for the marketing efforts and how to plan for the production departmental activities and how to having the financial activities and how to have the HR related activities. So here managing the company means maintain 4 departments of the organizations. So plan for how to maintain and how to organize finance, HR, marketing, and production departments. These are comes under here the third stage. And next, having plan for harvesting. Harvesting means here returns or profits. So by conducting this enterprise or by maintaining this company's activities and resources and by putting the capital or investment, how much return is there, how much profit we will gain from our enterprise, that profit planning and estimation of returns is comes under here harvesting. Please remember this word harvesting. So harvesting means returns or profits from our organization. So estimation of our profits from our organization or our enterprise. And finally, discover the new techniques and innovative designs, innovative products for our organization development. So this is the simple thing here. We need to establishment of a new company, right? So coming to the next thing, barriers to the entrepreneurs. So a company start cheyali ante these are the problems, these are the limitations, these are the disadvantages or these are the barriers, addankulu, problems. ఒక కంపెనీ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలంటే అడ్డంకులు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏంటి అన్నది ఇది ఉంటుంది. సో హియర్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంటల్ బ్యారియర్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, lack of availability of raw materials. So raw materials, lack of raw materials, not availability of raw materials to our enterprise. So it is one of the barrier. Next, lack of labor, efficient skilled labor not available in the market. So this is another problem to us. And next, the machineries. The machineries, high cost related activities, or machineries available or not for purpose of making of our new product or innovative product. So lack of machinery and land and buildings may be high cost or unavailabilities. Next, infrastructure requirements and financial barriers. డబ్బులు ఉండాలిగా కావాల్సినంత. So financial barriers. So lack of finance, lack of infrastructure, lack of land and buildings, lack of machineries, lack of labors, and lack of raw materials. So not availability of these things is related to the environmental barriers. Simply, you can observe here, these are the 5 M's, right? Material, men, machinery, money, right? Land and buildings and infrastructure requirements. These are the 2 additional things. So other than these 2, with the remaining all are comes under here 5 M's. Am I right? So these are the different unavailabilities. So it is another barrier. And coming to the second type of barrier, personal barriers. These personal barriers are caused by emotional blocks of an individual. So మనీషిలో ఉన్న డ్రాబ్యాక్స్, మనిషి ఎమోషన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని అడ్డంకులు, ఎంటర్ప్రెన్యూర్ రిలేషన్షిప్స్. సో పర్సనల్ బ్యారియర్స్. So personal barriers are caused by, these are caused by emotional blocks of an individual. Emotional blocks. So look at here, lack of confidence lack board to run our business. So not having the sufficient confidence to run the business, and lack of dependability on others. So not dependable. So lack of dependability on others and lack of motivation. So self motivation. So not having the self motivation. Next, self encouragement or self interest and lack of patience, manake orpu lekapodam, and inability of dream. So not fulfilling of our dreams. And next, sense of embarrassment, asayinga untam, right? These are the mindset of an individual or mindset of an entrepreneur, right? So these are the few different barriers relates to the personal barriers. These are the environmental barriers. These are the personal mindset, right? Inefficient person or inefficient mindset. And next, the societal barriers. Societal means here social, society barriers. So here, pressure from the community and pressure from our families and pressure from peer groups. Peer means here higher authorities. So who sanctioned the powers and who sanctioned the authorities to establishment of a new business? So those problems are here, pressure from peer groups. So simply government refuses our project, refuses our company, and don't giving any permissions to start our business. So that type of things are concerned here. Pressure from our peer groups, higher authorities, to start and to run the business, and problems from our family members, and problems from the society persons, societies. So these are the different problems to start enterprises, to start or establish the enterprises, right? So up to now we discussed about what is meant by, so first topic is we discussed up to now what is meant by entrepreneur. Here entrepreneur means the chairman or owners or board of directors. Enterprise means an organization or a company or a firm, right? So here entrepreneur having skills to run his company is called as here entrepreneurship, right? So these are the meanings and definitions we discussed. And we discussed the process of entrepreneurs developing a business plan, which type of business, which type of product we need to start. Next, resource planning. How much resources we need to have. So here resources means 5 M's. How much resources, how much levels of resources we need to have to start a new business. Next, company management. So simply 4 departments on their activities planning. Next, harvesting. So planning for or estimating the profits or returns from our business. Next, discover the new things for development of a business. This is the process. And these are the barriers. Environmental barriers, personal barriers, and social barriers. Right. In the next class, we need to discuss the requirement of entrepreneurs and skills of entrepreneurs. Right. So today's class, we discussed about meaning of enterprise, entrepreneurship, and the process of enterprise. So in this process, we have the 5 steps: business plan, resources plan, maintenance plan, harvesting means future profits estimation, and innovative things. So these are the 5 steps to develop an entrepreneurship. And the third thing we discussed are the problems or barriers of to start a new business or new enterprise. So problems of new establishment of a company, new company establishment, right? So we discussed these all things. In the next class, we will meet with the skills and requirements of entrepreneur, right? Thanks for listening, guys. Just okay. Stay home, stay safe, relax.